Hi, I'm attorney Mark Mandel. I'm a partner here at the law firm of Fausone Bohn, located in Northville, Michigan, and I'm with one of my associates, Robert Pollock. Robert predominantly specializes in small business and real estate with the law firm. And Robert, today I just wanted to ask you some questions. Personally, I have a lot of friends that ask me questions about investment property,
Yeah.
buying property for investment purposes.
Yeah.
So with that said, is there a benefit in forming an LLC when you do buy property for investment purposes?
Absolutely. There's a huge benefit to it. One of the biggest benefits is protecting yourself from personal liability. That's going to be the biggest one. If a tenant goes after you, if they trip on a sidewalk or something happens and they try to sue you, it's not you personally that's getting sued, it's the LLC. The second benefit may be anonymity. There's some people that want to stay, anonymous, and so an LLC can help you do that. So there's several benefits to it, yeah, and I would highly recommend it for any investors.
All right, that's really interesting. So what are the concerns with an LLC?
So from an investor's standpoint, if you're investing in a property, there are some concerns for transferring it to an LLC. There's some things that you want to watch out for, really. If you're owning it in your personal capacity and then you want to transfer it to an LLC later, there can be some things that you want to watch out for. The first thing being the due on sale clause. In mortgage contracts, a due on sale clause allows the mortgage company to accelerate that debt when there's a transfer of property. So technically, you're transferring it by putting it into an LLC. And you're going to want to be sure to, work with your lender and you really get their permission before you do so, because, the worst case scenario in that case would be your entire mortgage balance being due. So you don't want that. You want to make sure that you upfront talk to your mortgage company and make sure that the lender's okay with that. And the second thing really is the title insurance. You want to make sure that the title insurance stays with you when transferring it to that LLC. And there's certain things you can do to look at that. Really, you look at the title policy, you look at the language. It can be a definition in the policy that actually allows you to transfer it to the LLC. And you can have different endorsements that you put on your title policy that can protect you in that way, so you can easily transfer it and protect yourself.
Well, thanks, Robert. That's really interesting, and I appreciate it. Is there anything else you want to offer up as it relates to the investment property and the benefits of an LLC?
So I just want to say that we handle a lot of issues that a lot of property investors deal with. And so if you have any questions about property investing, about transferring things from your own name to an LLC, or even short-term rental issues, anything like that, feel free to call our office, and we can certainly help you with that.
Well, thank you, and I appreciate it, Robert.